All right, we're about to do another run with the Scorpion.
Let's go, Scorpion.
Who's driving that thing? Nice.
Bright sunny day, Golden, California. Let's see what's up.
Who's got the baddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine.
Swirl it.
Boats on the scene. It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the baddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the baddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Starting with the carbon fiber Kevlar weave. CNC parts, man, it's built for speed. High flow water systems cool from heat. 100 miles an hour on the water. Shit. Animal twin cat RTR. Fastest in the game, it's a superstar. And the Dominator model, man, it's just as hard. Superpower, self-riding, bright colors and all. So when you hear it on the water, man, you know they rip. The ESC motors, props, it's lit. Strongest power systems on the market, legit. Oxidean Marine, no questions, that's it. Who's got the raddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the best boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine.
Woo! That buoy is a sketch risk. We're running too tight. That was a nice run. It was just a bit sketch with so many people around, so we brought her in.